I find it important to give you a tiny little bit of background information of what you're about to learn. The dance is called salsa, which is the Spanish word for sauce. Now, it is called salsa because it's a mixture of a lot of different dances and origins. Salsa first evolved in the way that we're dancing it now in New York City when people from different origins of, well, Hispanic origins from South America came together and mixed up their music and their ways of dancing. Today we have basically 4 salsa styles that we dance around the world. One is Cuban salsa, Puerto Rican salsa, New York style salsa and Los Angeles style salsa. Now, Cuban style salsa is danced basically in a circle movement, while the other 3 are danced online. What I'm going to teach you is more the online style, because there in these styles you have a lot more opportunities to style and to stuff by yourself, while Cuban is quite fixated on what the man is leading you. Salsa is danced on a 4/4 rhythm, which means we have 8 counts to work with, but we only dance 6 of them. 4 and 8 are pauses, so we make steps on 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7.